I welcome class 5 students to this computer lesson. This is class 5, subject is computer and chapter is types of software. In this chapter we will see software and its types, system software, application software, their differences, operational support system and defragmentation. So students, we will go to the chapter directly. First question, what is software? Now, computer is a machine that does not possess any intelligence of its own. A computer without command or instruction, like a car without a driver. It requires a set of instructions given by a user to work on. These sets of instructions are called programs, which are written in computer language. Now, software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. Software is a part of computer which cannot be touched or seen. You can see this figure. This is software. Now, software are of two types, system software and application software. So, let us see what is system software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers the processed information to the output devices. System softwares are generally of three main types: operating system, language processor and utility software. First question, what is operating system? An operating system is needed to operate a computer. It controls the overall activity of computer. It acts like a link between user and the hardware and enable them to work together. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is first program that gets loaded into its memory. An operating system works like the principal of your school. As principal has various responsibility to manage the school, like supervising the students, teacher, working staff, maintaining the discipline. In similar manner, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of computer. Now, imagine what will happen if a computer has no operating system. If computer has no operating system, computer will not work properly. MS-DOS, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are examples of some popular operating systems. What are the functions of operating system? The main functions of an operating system are device management. Device management means input-output management. An operating system controls the working of all input and output devices. Second function of operating system is memory management. Operating system assigns memory to various programs whenever required. It also frees the memory when it is not in use. Third function of operating system is run other software. An operating system runs application software like Paint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Next function of operating system is processor management. An operating system manages the working of processor by allocating various jobs to it. Next function is file management. An operating system keeps track of information regarding creation and deletion of file, transfer, copy, moving of file, storage of file in organized way. Operating system also provides the security by means of password. There are different type of operating system. First is single user operating system. Single user operating system allows only one user to use computer at given time. This is most common operating system. Second is multi-user. Multi-user operating system allows multiple users on different computer to access a system at same time. These computers are connected to main computer through network, multi-user operating system can handle various needs and requests of all users simultaneously. Linux and Unix are example of multi-user operating system. In this system, the main resources are shared among all the computers and the user. For example, in computer lab, single printer is used to print from many computers. Next is multitasking. Multitasking operating system allows a user to run more than one application program at the same time. In multitasking, the operating system keeps tracks of program you are in and allow you to switch from one program to another without losing information. For example, while writing a letter to your friend, you can listen to music as well as you can send some print request at the same time. Windows is a multitasking operating system. Next point is utility program. Utility software perform a specific task or a definite task. It's a device or program. These programs assist in a smooth functioning of computer system and help it to perform better. Some utility programs are antivirus, backup program, disk repair, file management, compression, network programs, etc. You can buy various utility programs from licensed computer stores. Next is network utility. It checks the network connectivity and configuration of network devices. It also examines the network speed and performance, monitors network traffic from console and tracks the bandwidth usage. File Manager utility helps the user to perform various functions on file like editing or viewing the file, copying the file, deleting the file. It also helps in managing files and folders in a storage device such as hard disk or pen drive. Next utility is disk management. It enables the user to view and manage the disk drives installed in a computer. It can be used to partition the drive, format drive, assign drive letters and do many more functions. Next is scanning. Scanning means examining the computer hard disk system, drives or files for virus or malware attacks. Scanning is done by using antivirus utility and this provides protection against virus attack. It includes tools to recover lost file and protect your machine against system failure. You should keep updating your computer and antivirus with latest version so that you can get proper protection. Some examples of antivirus programs are Quick Heal, Avast, AVG, Norton. You can scan your hard disk, pen drive or entire computer system with antivirus program. Next is backup. Backup means process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Occasionally hard disk may fail, resulting in all the data loss or files stored. So an intelligent user keeps a backup of your file on other device such as pen drive or any other CD drive in case of any failure. If there is a disk failure, he can copy the files from other drive. Data loss is very common and cause a serious problem for many company and individuals. Now to access backup and restore facility, how we will do this? First of all, you have to go to Start, then to Windows System, then to Control System, then to Backup and Restore. If you are using Windows 7, click on Setup Backup link. Windows will start the process and Setup Backlog dialog will appear. Now select the drive where you want to keep your files. Now after selecting, you will have to do let Windows to choose recommended settings and you have to click next and after that backup of your data will start and Windows will keep it on another drive. If there is a disk failure, backup will do your job. Next is compression. Compression is a process that shrinks file so that less disk space is occupied. The files that are bigger in size needs to be compressed while sending an email attachment. WinZip, PKZip, 7-zip are some backup programs. Next is language processor software. Each software is created by writing programs in computer language. Some of the language are Java, C++, and so on. But computer can understand only machine language. That means binary digit 0 and 1. So language processors convert the high level program to machine language. Hence a language processor plays a vital role in translating the programming language into machine level language. Now how the language processors are? First is assembler. An assembler is a translator that converts the code written in assembly language into machine language. Second is interpreter. An interpreter translates the program code line by line and simultaneously executes the converted line. If any error is found, it displays the error and stops there until error is rectified. Then repeats the process for remaining of the instruction. Next is compiler. A compiler is a translator program that converts the whole program into equivalent machine code in one go. It means at one time. It generates the object code for program along with list of errors. Next set of programs are application software, that is a second type of software. These are programs developed by programmer in order to do a specific type of job, like beautifying the document, doing calculation, or doing other computation. Computer language are used to create such types of software, and they are further divided into two categories. First is general purpose application software. These software can be used to perform some general task, and example of these general type application softwares are word processing software. A word processing software helps us to create professional looking document quickly and efficiently. You can see this is Microsoft Word. This Microsoft Word do the same thing. WordPad, OpenOffice, these are also word processing software. Second is electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a program helps you to perform calculation and display the data in form of a chart to analyze it in better way. It is used for creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. Now VisiCalc, Excel, Lotus, these are some electronic spreadsheets. Third is DBMS, that is database management system. Each one of us uses database unknowingly in our routine. Microsoft Access, OpenOffice Base, FoxPro, Oracle are some database management system. Next is presentation software. It is used to present idea or concept in a beautiful manner. This software helps you to create and display slides on computer or a projector. Microsoft PowerPoint, Impress, Adobe Flash are presentation software. Next is DTP software, that is desktop publishing software. This application helps you to combine both text and graphic feature to design professional looking documents like newsletter, printed forms, advertisements, brochure, book, poster, etc. CorelDRAW, Adobe Design, QuickSpark Express are some DTP software. Graphics software are used to create chart, graphs, photograph. Microsoft Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver are a few examples. Next is multimedia software. It is used to create video, animations, sound, graphics and text with high degree of interaction. Game software or Microsoft Media Player are a few examples. Next category is of general special purpose application software, that is customized software. They are used by user to do very specific task. Tally, busy, they are actually customized software. Some of the customized software are reservation system, billing system, payroll system, library system. These are actually customized systems. Next point in our discussion is operational support system. Operational support system is a special type of software installed by communication service provider to operate, analyze and manage computer or telephone networks. Operational support system is also called operational support system group. This is installed on server and mainly used to monitor all the computers and what is happening in all the computer. Next point is defragmentation. Fragmentation occurs when hard disk does not find any contiguous memory to store large file. Contiguous means continuous. Now it basically slows down the retrieval of data because a hard disk cannot access data quickly if it is scattered over the disk. Fragmented data needs to be rearranged and this process is called defragmentation. How to defragment the disk? First of all, you have to click on Start, then Window Administrative Tool, then Defrag and optimize the device. Then click on OK. Select the disk you want to defrag and window will start the process. It will take a few minutes to complete the process. Students, as you can see, we have reached the end of the chapter. I have done all the question answers for you with pen. Please go through the video again and again, write question answer, and we will again meet with next chapter, next video. Till then, revise the video. Bye bye.